What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about XRP. And yes, I know it's a Saturday and I usually don't upload on Saturdays, but you guys, XRP is breaking out like crazy right now. So I figured I would make a video anyways. If you guys aren't a subscriber to my channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, as well as sharing this video with your friends, because I make videos about cryptocurrencies, especially as they are preparing into this bull market, to let you guys know what coins are the best ones to be picking up. So before we get started here, I'm just going to go ahead and say thank you for all of the people that are already subscribing and liking and commenting on my videos. I really appreciate you guys. You have no idea how much the support means to me. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So October 18th, there was actually a lot of people that were still pretty bearish on crypto. But for me personally, I was really bullish in this time. And our total market capitalization for all of the coins across the board was about 358 billion. Now, if we go check out what our total market cap is today, you guys will actually see that we're at 539 billion. So we've grown quite a bit in market capitalization. XRP is up over 56% in the last 7 days and 32% in the last 24 hours. So let me just say that I'm very grateful for my XRP positions, and anybody else that listened to me, whether it was in the VIP or whether it was on my public videos on the public channel. You guys, I know there's a lot of people making money on the XRP swing right now, and it's really awesome to be part of that swing up with you guys. Now, I made a video a little while back saying that I wasn't going to make an XRP video until XRP did one of two things. And really what I was telling people is that there's a major support level and a major resistance level, that I was really bullish on XRP, but I really wanted to make sure that you guys were aware that I didn't think it was really, important to worry about it until one of those levels are broken above, because of the fact that we were already in positions. I was already telling people since the COVID drop right here that XRP was a great buy. And so there was really no reason to worry about it until that resistance level broke above. Well, that resistance level broke above as planned, and XRP is now valued at 41 cents. When I was making that video, it was valued at around 21 or 22 cents or somewhere around there. So we've almost doubled in value since then, which is pretty freaking crazy. And it's not just XRP. I mean, Litecoin is up over 34%. Polkadot is up over 28%. And I'm talking about 7-day trends here, not on the 24 hours. So there's a lot of coins doing very well right now, YFI 52%. And this is really as expected, with the market cap exploding as planned. And you guys can see that I was drawing this black bar, these black bars that hadn't happened yet, showing that we would be bullish all the way towards the end of the year, and that a new all-time high would be coming in the total market capitalization. Now, although I don't think that that will probably happen this year when it comes to the total market cap at least, and reaching a new all-time high, I think that we could get relatively close. We could get right up there next to the all-time high. I mean, if you look at, and when we're talking about total market capitalization, Bitcoin's price still could technically reach an all-time high before the end of the year. I kind of don't know if it will. It'll get really close. We'll see. But either way, you guys, total market capitalization could get very close to the previous all-time high before the end of the year, which would be really cool to see. And that just goes to show we're at 541 billion right here. In the graph that I was drawing when we were back at 358 billion, I was showing that we would shoot towards 600 billion before the end of the year. So everything really is going exactly as planned. And my VIPs know I have a list of coins that I predicted would do very well towards the end of this year. And one of them is actually doing extremely well right now. So shout out to the VIP members that got in on those coins before this whole swing really happened. Now, people are probably wondering, well, Dallin, XRP, is it going to keep going up? What's going to happen from here? You know, people are actually starting to message me saying, Dallin, I'm getting really anxious. I don't know what I should be doing. I don't know whether I should be selling already or what's the deal. Well, you guys, look at how early we still are in this cycle. Just because XRP in the 24-hour is up quite significantly and in the 7-day is up quite significantly, I mean, look how high it is away from its previous all-time high. There's so much room left inside of this bull market. It's actually ridiculous. And just remember that these coins will go way higher than you expect them to. There will be pullbacks along the way up. But personally, the real money is made. And what I do, the real money is made inside of these big cycles, because those are the ones that you can put the money in and you can allow it to grow. You can allow the huge flood season of money to come through the market, as I talked about in my vlog video. Go check that one out if you haven't yet, how Bitcoin is affecting altcoin markets. You guys, there's going to be a flood season come through this market, and it will be absolutely crazy. Buying really big picture, XRP is undervalued right now, quite significantly. And this rally that it's seeing on the short term could go way high. It could FOMO really hard. Nobody knows how high it's going to FOMO. But so really the name of the game is to buy dips. You know, thinking about taking large selling actions on really anything as far as where we're at in the cycle right now, in my view, and how I trade these markets doesn't make sense. I think this is a great, we're still early is basically what I'm saying. This is a great time for a lot of different projects to actually be long, to actually be buying, especially any short-term panic that happens, especially those 20% dips, especially those 30% dips, because those are the days that are going to reward you so much when we can come back and we can look at the market like it is right now, where it's just outperforming anybody's wildest expectations and showing you what cryptocurrency can really do as far as percentage growth, as far as the excitement that people have, as far as the development of the technology. This really is the wave where we see the public starting to come into this, and where we start to see real world application of a lot of this technology, and it's going to explode the price. And we're starting to see that. We're starting to see the early phases of that. So yeah, XRP on the short term could easily shoot higher than it is right now. It could easily go up to $1. It could just go parabolic from here. At current prices, it could go parabolic up to $1 and then see a 20 or 30% correction. So for me personally, you know, it's just about having positions in the market and then buying any dips that come and letting the cycle play out, because that's where you're going to make the money. And that's why I'm so excited about XRP. And, you know, a lot of the banker coins will probably start doing well. We already have XLM up 25% on 7-day and 20% in the last 24 hours. So there's a lot of projects already that are starting to take off exactly how we would expect, following XRP, following Litecoin, following as these altcoins are starting to break out and take off. There's a lot of other coins starting to show that bullish movement as well, including Digibyte, DCR, 0x. You have a lot of coins. So I know there's a lot of people that have a lot of different favorite projects. And one of the things I want to remind you guys is when we're in a raging bull market, there will be coins that outperform other coins. Areas where one coin is taking the spotlight and areas where another coin is taking the spotlight. But overall, a lot of your favorite projects, especially if there's real volume, real development, real exchanges where there's people trading it, are going to see pretty nice swings on the upside. And so just remember that there's a lot of opportunity in the space. And there's a lot of different projects that you can invest in. All of the ones that are bigger, all the ones that seem like they're definitely have a lot more of a real project behind them, real volume, real development, real world use case. Those are the ones that you're going to want to have higher positions in. And then anything that's a bit more risky, a bit more crazy, you're going to want to have a lot smaller positions in and be a lot more willing to, you know, sell those ones. But these ones like these XRP, XLM, any of the big names, these ones are ones that you're going to really want to hold through the cycle, let them play out, let them go parabolic, let them blow everybody away, because they will. This is just the start. and allow yourself to really capitalize and maximize off all of that you can. So that's my video on XRP, you guys. Click the links in the description to join the Discord. Follow me on Twitter for more posts, more updates like this. And, subscribe to my channel because I update you guys on coins, especially when I see a great opportunity for one that I think you guys can make money on, like XRP, because this is just this beginning, you guys. Really, the all-time high is likely to be broken above big picture. So this is just the beginning at 41 cents. I know people are getting excited, but this is just the start. So remember that. There's a lot of money to be made. So subscribe to the channel for more videos. And I look forward to seeing you guys in those future updates. Happy weekend, everybody. And as always, stay profitable out there.